I received some free logs today. I actually had to go get them from the storm damage over in Clarksville. And there's still more in a lady's backyard. She had a bunch of trees and lived right on a city block. But I see pine and maple and I don't know, she's got a little bit of everything, possibly some oak in there. But heavy load for this trailer, this truck. Maybe I have overloaded it, but let's get it unloaded and get back to work. Well, I just got home and a second load, and this lady has storm damage here in Tennessee, had all of these, like 6 trees, I think is what she told me, come down in her backyard, and she lived on a city block. And then their neighborhood, they're developing the backside. But let me turn the camera around and let you look at all of these trees. I got the old 4020 out pulling the logs off the trailer. My little John Deere tractor is with the forks on it is what I took to Clarksville to load the trees up with to bring them home. And it's been a hot day today, and it's like, oh my gosh. So it's about 5 o'clock right now. I got home with this second load, and what else can I tell you? 5 o'clock. So I started at 8 o'clock this morning. Finally just had a little bit to eat. So I just been drinking Gatorade and water, but check this out. I know there's some pine, I know there's some maple, but these are all storm damaged. You know, the storms brought them down, and that's what I want to really cut up, is just stick with storm damage and not go out and cut any other trees down. I'm not real sure what this tree is. I just talked to Vicky, my wife, and we're going to try to identify all of these trees and what they were. But look at these, anywhere from 8 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot. This one on the trailer, I'd have to throw a tape measure. Let me grab a tape measure and we'll see how long that log is. But this lady has had a forevermore fire burning in her backyard, getting rid of these limbs. And I found out she was looking for someone to get rid of these. All right. 16. So it's 17 feet, 9 inches. There's, I guess that one's 17 on the far side too. Not nearly as nice as this one right here. But I've got some projects in mind, and I actually need some 18-foot timbers cut. Now this sawmill, I don't have the sawmill yet. I've got a sawmill, I'll do a video on that. But the sawmill will only cut a 16-foot board, so I'll have to figure that out. But anyway, thanks for watching. Well, good morning from Middle Tennessee, and yesterday I finished unloading the logs that I got out of Clarksville, but I want to show you what happened. I tore up one of the steel plates on the trailer. But not only that, is as I was coming up the road here to the house, I lost the brakes on the trailer. So today I need to figure that out, but I'll probably make another video on how I'm going to figure out why I lost the trailer brakes. But let's go over, I'll turn the camera around, we'll take a look at the trailer, what I messed up, maybe get some ideas on how to keep that from happening again. But anyway, good morning to you from Middle Tennessee. It was a hot day yesterday, supposed to be a hot day today in the mid-90s, but so I'm starting 6 o'clock early this morning. Let's see what we can get done. Good morning, Wes. What's happening? Yeah, the birds have been busy on the feeder. Had to fill it up yesterday. So this is a down-to-earth trailer. Not sure of the year it was made. In Tennessee, you don't have to license a trailer. I've got the title for the trailer. But anyway, it was pulling off these last two logs with the John Deere at the 4020. The one caught right here in this middle plate, bent it backwards. Then the last one rolled over, and it was the chain that I had hooked to the log, tore that off. So I'll probably remove this whole metal piece right here, and not sure how it fastens, but I'll figure it out. I'll take and get that fixed. But once again, when I pull the logs off of here or sliding anything off, I need to figure out how to keep from tearing up my trailer. And in doing all of this, if you all don't have a cant hook, it makes life so much nicer. This is a 60-inch log right. It's got the PV point on the end, but a great tool to have when you're fooling around with all these logs. So let's go figure out why the light or the brakes went out. The tail lights work on the truck or on the trailer, so the lights work, but it's just the brakes went out. I just replaced, a couple months ago, the pigtail. What I noticed is this has pulled out of the socket, and it's come out that far, and that's kind of a bummer. But anyway, let's get to it.